All right, everyone, this is lesson 5, level 3. This is D, the TV episodes. So this is the number of minutes for each of the TV episodes in a season. These are the titles. There are 16 of them, and there are the minutes for each of those episodes. So not a big deal. What I need to do first is in the TV episodes class, I need to complete the calculate total length method. So I want the total number of minutes in the season. So a TV episodes object, well, in the class, there is a private string variable, which is the title of a TV show. There is an array of episode titles, which are strings, and there is an array of episode lengths, which are integers. And the constructor, when I go to make a TV episode object, I will pass it the title. I will pass it the array of episode lengths, but it appears that the titles have been preloaded for me, so I don't need to worry about the titles of each of the episodes. And so I just need to keep track of that. It's episode lengths is what I'm going to probably need down here below. So I need to calculate the total length for all the episodes. So we've done this before. I'm going to create an integer that is going to be called total, and I'm going to initialize that to be 0. And then I'm going to do a for int I equals 0. I want I to be less than, and I think that was episode lengths. Episode lengths, not an F. Lengths dot length. And I want to increment my I. And then I want my total, my new total, to be my old total plus whatever the episode length at index I is. And I want to return my total. Now, I have a feeling I'm not going to do this next one until I get to the next Choose Your Own Adventure, but I'll do this now. So I want to calculate the average length. I've done this a number of times already, so I think this will be okay. I'm going to take my calculate total length. So calc total length. And that is calc total length. And I'm going to divide that by the length of the episode length. So episode lengths dot length. And that should be good to go. And that's actually going to take care of both both this one in level 3 and in the one in level 4. So let's go to the data runner. I want to call the file reader to int array and to read the episode text. So this is going to be an int array, and I'll call it ep length, and that's going to equal. So I'm just going to grab this file reader to int array, so I don't have to type it in, and I'm going to grab the episode text. I don't have to type it in, but I probably could have typed it in by now. So there is that. That's good. And then I need to instantiate a TV episodes object. So my TV episode that doesn't look right. Oh, because it's not episodes. And I'll call it eps equals a new TV episodes. And if I recall correctly, it takes a name. So I'll give it my name, Steve. And then it's going to take the eps length as the array. And I need to call the calculate total length. So I will go system.out.println, and I'll take my EPS object, and I'm going to call calc total length. And this one down here is actually for level 4, but I'm going to go ahead and knock it out now since I'm there. I'm going to call the calc average length. All right, let's run it, see what it does. Let's see what it does. Oh, I got an error. Oh, ESP, but it's EPS, so I got to fix that in both places, but not a big deal. So let's see what it is. Oh. And that's not length, that's just the length, EP length. So that should do the trick there. Now let's try it. Third time's a charm. There you go. And let's run the test, make sure the test works out okay. If the test is happy, I'm happy, and I'm happy. Now, these calc averages were what you were going to do in level 4. So you're all good.